All right, so these are the different controls. This right here, when you hit it, it goes right to turbo. Then if you hit this, you're going to get it even colder. All right, that kicks it up. This adjusts the lights up and down. And this is a timer. I think it's 2, 6, 8, and 12. So it would go 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours. And this makes it swivel. So to turn it on, we just go ahead and hit this button here, and it goes right to turbo. Boom. Now, if we want it to even be higher to the maximum level, we click this. All right, then the lights, we can change them by hitting this. You follow me? Now this right here is a timer. If I click the first one, it's going to go 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and then off. If we want it to swivel, bam, there she goes. And this is the pivot that it gets. And I got to tell you, it's cool. I'm feeling it right now. It's cooling the room down, definitely. So it's definitely working. So this is it right here. Arctic Air Tower. Check it out. Down here you can see how much water you've got left in it. And it is blowing out some pretty cool air, I gotta say. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this cool portable AC evaporative air cooler. Peace out.